nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today, we will make a strawberry chia pudding. Let's begin. The ingredients that we need are first, add the sweetener or sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar depending on your preference. Now, let's pour our milk. To make it low carb, you can use almond milk instead. After adding all the ingredients, we will now attach the base of the blender and shake it a little. Blend it for 5 to 10 seconds. After blending, we can now add our chia seeds. I want it to be thick, so I'm adding 3 tablespoons of chia. Mix it well. Then, refrigerate it overnight. The next day, we now have our strawberry chia pudding. Super easy, right? It's sweet and sour. It feels like eating a frozen yogurt. It's super refreshing, and chia seeds can help lower our blood pressure. Try it and enjoy. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.